Now we will see that how to solve the problems of the probabilities. So you have to mention these steps to solve the problems of probabilities. I have made this one problem steps. It is very easy. Okay, read the problems at least 2 times and try to understand given part and asking part. जी तमने प्रॉब्लम्स આપેલો હોય સપોઝ આ છે તો એ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ ને તમારે બે વખત બરાબર વાંચી દેવાનો શું આપેલું છે અને શું શોધવાનું છે તે બરાબર સમજી લેવાનું. ઓકે, then second, find all the possible outcomes. Make the list of the outcomes. Total જેટલા બી outcomes આવતા હોય એનું આખું લિસ્ટ બનાવી કાઢો. Then third point, count it. Find total numbers of outcomes. Count it. How many is there? 9, 10, 11. It may be some figure. Then fourth, find all favorable results according to the given condition in the problem. Problems ના અંદર અમુક condition આપેલી હોય એ પ્રમાણે તમારે favorable result કયા કયા છે તેનું આખું એક લિસ્ટ બનાવી કાઢો. કેટલા થાય છે તે જોઈ લો. Fifth, find the total number of numbers of favorable result. Count it. It is m. Clear? So total number of outcomes you will get it. Total number of favorable result you will get it. Put the value in the following formula and simplify it. You have only 2 or 3 formulas. 90% formula આનો યુઝ તમારે થશે દરેક સમ્સના અંદર. તમે જે 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં ભણેલા છે તમને જે છે તે જ મેં અહીંયા આગળ લીધી છે. ઓકે, PE, that means probability of getting E is equal to total number of favorable result. Total number of favorable result to E upon total number of all possible outcomes. Total number of outcomes કેટલા છે તે આ sums ના અંદર જોઈએ આ n upon m is your answer. Okay, get it? First, read it. Find total number of outcomes. Find total number of favorable result according to the given condition. Apply the formula PE, total number of favorable result upon total number of possible outcomes, and upon you will get answer. Okay, now I will see 2 sums. આપણે હવે બે sums જોઈએ છે. It is a illustration sum, page number 281. Example number 1. Find the probability of getting head when a coin is tossed once. Find also probability of getting the tail. એક આપણે કોઈન લઈએ છે અને ટોસ કરીએ છે. ટોસ કર્યા તો નીચે શું આવશે? હેડ કે ટેલ્સ આવશે? બેમાંથી એક આવશે. ઓકે, તો આપણે all possible outcomes head and tail. So total number of possible outcomes is 2. કેટલા થશે? 2. Favorable result, suppose તમે h જ જોઈતો છે તો કેટલી રીતે h આવશે? only 1. તો favorable result h head is equal to કેટલા છે? તો કે 1. Okay, ph means probability of getting the head is equal to total number of favorable result upon total number of possible outcomes is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. Similarly we will get PT. PT means probability of getting the tail. How many favorable result? 1. Tail કેટલી રીતે આવશે? 8. Total number of result 2. It is also 0.5. Get it? Now second result, example number 2. Illustration 2. A bag contains a red, a blue ball and yellow ball, all balls being same size. Kritika takes out a ball from the bag without looking in it, what is the probability that she takes out yellow ball, red ball or a blue ball? What is the actually problems? તમારે એક બેગ છે, એ બેગના અંદર એક લાલ, એક યલો અને એક બ્લુ, ત્રણ કલરના સેમ સાઈઝના બોલ છે. હવે જોયા વગર કાઢે છે તો રેડ બોલ, યલો બોલ અને બ્લુ બોલ આવવાની પોસિબિલિટીઝ કેટલી છે તે આપણે જોઈએ. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ આઉટકમ્સ રેડ બોલ, યલો બોલ और एक ब्लू बॉल, त्रण बॉल तमारा आवशे, त्रण मांथी एक आवशे. ओके, टोटल नंबर ऑफ दिस वन रेड, ब्लू और येलो. ओके, 1 + 1 + 1 टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स કેટલા? આ ત્રણ માંથી એક જ આવશે. ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ આઉટકમ ફેવરેબલ રિઝલ્ટ येलो જોઈએ છે કે રેડ જોઈએ છે? येलो જોઈએ તો કેટલી રીતે આવશે? only one way, so yellow, and that is the number of favorable result n is equal to 1. Okay, now probability of getting the yellow ball is equal to p by total number of favorable result is equal to 1, total number of result is equal to possible outcomes is equal to 3, 1/3 or 0.333, whatever you want to write, 0.3. Okay, 0.333. Probability of getting the tails, probability of getting the red ball, same way PR is equal to 1/3. Probability of the blue ball, PB, total number of favorable result blue ball 1/3. Just we will get all the value is same. Yellow ball, red ball or a blue ball. The probability of getting this one is equal to 1/3. Is equal to total number of favorable result 2, total number of possible outcomes 6, so it is a 1/3. PE is equal to 1/3. Next question, what is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? Total number of possible outcomes will be the same, 1 2 3 4 5 6 number after 6. Second, what is the question? A number less than or equal to 4. 4 or less than 4. 1 yes, 2 yes, 3 yes, 4 yes, 5 no. So total number of favorable result 1 2 3 4. Total number of favorable result is equal to 4. P less than or equal to 4 is equal to total number of favorable result
4. Total number of outcomes 3. So PF is equal to 2 upon 3. PF is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, get it? That is your answer. This one is your answer. From example number 1 and 2, we get some remark. આપણે થોડી એક remark જે છે એક નવું છે આમાં એક complementary probability. What is in the complementary probability? See here. In example number 1, we note that Px plus Pt is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1. Probability of getting head, probability of getting tail, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1. Where H is the event getting head, T is getting the event at tail is equal to 1. From example 3, we also get Pe plus Pf is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. Where is your Pe? 1 upon 3. Where is your Pf? Is equal to 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. E is the even getting number greater than 4. 4 करता વધારે. F is the even getting a number less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4. Note that getting a number not greater than 4 is same as the getting a number less than or equal to 4 and vice versa. What do you want to say? Less than 4 or not more than 4 are the same things. Less than or equal to 4 or not more than 4 are the equal things. 4 કરતા નાનું અથવા 4 જેટલું અને 4 થી મોટું નથી. એ બંને વસ્તુ એક જ છે. Is it clear? In about getting a number not greater than 4 is same as getting a number less than or equal to 4. જો 4 કરતા નાનું 4 અથવા 4 કરતા નાનું એટલે કયા કયા આવશે? 1 2 3 4. 4 કરતા મોટા નથી એટલે કયા કયા આવશે? Same number result will be same. Okay, so we will denote it same. In above 1 and 2, F is not the same as not E. One say yes, it is. We denote the event not E by the E bar. આને શું કહેશું આપણે? E bar. What is the meaning of this one? Probability of not E. Pe plus P not E is equal to 1. Here we will get that Pe plus Pf is equal to 1. Instead of F, what I have written? Not E is equal to 1. Pe plus Pe bar is equal to 1. Or, હવે હું આને આગળ લઈ જાઉં તો શું થશે? Pe is equal to 1 minus Pe bar. Or Pe bar is equal to 1 minus Pe. Second time, I have this side. The event E bar representing not E is called the complement of event A. We also say that E and E bar are complements events. આને શું કહેશો આપણે? Complements event. એક છે બીજું નથી. એક બીજો એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ લઈને જોઈએ. Less than 3. Less than 3. Which are numbers? V1 and 2. Same way. Not more than or equal to 3. Which number? 1 and 2. These two are same. These two are same. Less than 3, 1 and 2. Not more than or equal to 2. 1 and 2. Get it? समझ पड़ी? As they are complements